Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the MMSS token. This token is a very popular BRC20 token and is getting a brand new central exchange listing as well on a very big central exchange. It was just announced that this will be happening, I believe, tomorrow, but we're going to go over the information here on the MMSS token in just 1 second and how you can get it. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, name of the token, MMSS. That is also the ticker symbol. This is a BRC20 token with a max total supply of 21 million tokens. You can find their contract at unisat.io/BRC20/MMSS. Now, this token, it was just announced, will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting December 27th at 13 hours UTC time on a very big central exchange called Gate. So if you're looking to get this token, all you would have to do is download Gate from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, then December 27th, go into the trade section, search MMSS, and then simply just buy the token. Now they have a website, mmss.space. Over there you can find a full white paper as well. They also have some socials. I believe they have some socials. Yeah, they have a Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there. At MMSSBRC20, they have 42,100 Twitter followers. Now, they also may be listed on Coinex Global because it looks like they are followed by Coinex Global. I do believe that they are on other exchanges as well. We can actually have a look at their most recent Twitter announcements. Looks like they're followed by Lbank and Bitmart as well, so they could be listed on there as well. And they have a recent tweet here about Bakery Swap. I don't know if they're available on there. But yeah, it looks like they tons of tweets, 303 tweets. A lot of them are in different language here. It seems like, I think this is from Korea, this token here. Looks like they have a partnership with Bitland. Tons of partnerships on here if you scroll through. C-Space is one of their partners on here. But yeah, lots of tweets. So to scroll all the way back, hopefully they even retweet their listings, because I'm not sure if they even retweet their listings. Bitget, looks like it could be available on Bitget as well. So just tons and tons of listings. Like I said, it's a very popular BRC20 token. And if you're looking for the info, you can find all of their info on their document section here. So the MMS community aspires to be the leading decentralized meme community centered around Asian culture and integrating diverse global cultural elements. Our Genesis mascot, a black cat originating from a Korean artist, Shan, symbolizes resilience and the spirit of freedom, representing every young person pursuing independence and self-actualization in life. MMSS was born out of the Bitcoin's BRC20 protocol, embodying the core value of fairness, decentralization, and community self-governance. Our token MMSS, created by Korean artist Shan, November 19th, 2023, has fairly minted during a period of high gas fees, ensuring equal participation of community members. As a BRC20 token, MMSS is fairly distributed, not held by its creator Shan, and is entirely operated by the SS community. Shen declared on Twitter his participation in the community's development as an equal member. So the basic characteristics we already went over, 21 million total supply. Now, it says here, initiated and handed over to the community management by Shen, the founder of Korean Black Cat. This marks the first case of transitioning to the BRC20 protocol in the NFT domain. Also, MMSS is the first BRC20 token started in Korea, or by a Korean, I should say. The Black Cat, a widely recognized and beloved IP, enjoys a global user base and cultural impact. So they have, a lot of people post black cats in Korea like Hello Kitty, Black Cat Sheriff, Maneki, Nico, Lucky Cat, Tom and Jerry, all these different black cat icons. So MMSS is positioned as Korea's first BRC20 token, mainly targeting Asian markets like Korea, Japan, and China, as well as mainstream English-speaking markets in Europe and America, and has the goal to be the leading BRC20 meme coin. So they have an art club, a fashion club, a research club, and an education club. And if you go to their document section, you can find sections on each one of those things that you can go over. So they also have a treasury, a donation foundation for the community. It aims to provide a stable financial support for the community, ensuring the smooth progress of all projects and activities and encouraging a reward, innovation, and participation within the community. The core operational team is responsible for daily management and operation of the community, ensuring the effective achievement and community goals and communication among members. So it says, summary, the draft outlines the strategy for the MMSS community, aiming to help it progress orderly and efficiently in its various plans and projects, realizing the goals of becoming a global leader in the Bitcoin's ecosystem meme community. Community members are encouraged to actively offer their ideas and perspectives, and the community will consider these suggestions in drafting a comprehensive roadmap. They have tons of social media accounts you can check out. They have a Discord. They have a Telegram that you can find at MMSS Unofficial. Then they have a Twitter group as well that I talked about. They have an album of photos. I'm assuming they're going to be mostly cats, I would guess, but I mean, who knows. Their webpage, mmss.space, you could check out as well. And they probably have tons of listings here. It's very hard to scroll through 303 tweets. I assume Lbank, Bitmart, Coinex Global are some of them. I do have a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box you could check out. But the newest one on a very big central exchange is Gate. So check them out on Gate. They're also on Bitget for sure. I see their Bitget listing right here. But yeah, go check out this new Gate announcement. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about the MMSS token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there, check out the referral codes, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.